Hello, I'm proud and happy to announce a few things. Um, I'm very happy to have successfully finished shipping the 100th kit a few weeks ago. Yeah, so 100 kits, right? With that ending the 2024 build season. I'm proud to have started this whole thing a few years ago with the supercharger kit for the Porsche 924, the 2-liter, and continued with the EFI kit for that application, and then extending that to work on the factory 924 Turbo and on the 924 NA as well. I'm grateful to everyone that bought this kit and offered valuable feedback. I'm especially grateful to the people that helped me along the way with ideas bouncing and actually producing parts for these kits. So thanks again, Cedric, Andrei, Martin, Adi, Lucian, and Raul. I sincerely believe that the Porsche 924 is seen a little better because of our efforts. So yeah, this is what we now have, this supercharger kit. You can also see it in front of your eyes, or in front of my eyes. This is my engine of the Arena Red car. So we have this supercharger kit, and which bolts on to the 924 engine. We also have this EFI kit, which is also bolt on and plug in, and all this with minimal changes to the car. You don't have to do any permanent changes. So yeah, I'm very excited, and I can't wait to get this engine dropped into my Arena Red 924 and start driving it. Yeah, so here's the plan for the kits for the future. The supercharger kit will stay in production mainly in its current form. Next year I'll develop a custom charger pulley for our application so that we can run a bit more boost. I'll probably give that charger pulley for free if you also get an EFI kit along the supercharger kit. Yeah, at least for the first few. Yeah, so that's it for the supercharger kit. The EFI will get a bit of an update, especially the harness. I plan to extend the capability of the system to also control the fuel pump through a separate relay. So this means you won't have to worry about that aging and no longer available OEM fuel pump relay, and you'll be able to take longer and more challenging drives with a 924 without worrying, about getting stranded or stuck by the side of the road. All the previous EFI kits will be able to upgrade to this later in the year by replacing the harness, so it's, I don't know, 10-minute job. The tunes for the NA, the SC, and the Turbo will continuously be refined, as will be the supporting documentation for the EFI kit. Next year, when I start driving my 924 SC, I'll have more chances to refine the tunes as I drive it. In regards to building the kits, for next year, I want to do just one build run. So until now I've been doing, I don't know, 2, 3, even 4 runs per year. And yeah, I want to change this. I want to just do 1. And here's why. So this thing is just a hobby for me, a side business at most. And this means everything I do, I have to do in my free time and whatever energy I have left after work. So yeah, this making smaller batches all of the time kept me busy and quite tired throughout the years. So yeah, next year I want to try a different strategy. I want to try to have at least a few months of normal workload. So I'll need your help to do that too. This is a shout out to all of you that want a kit or 2. Please get ready for the start of next build, which is February. So the build list is already open. There's already people on it. I'll close the list, I don't know, sometime in February, maybe early March, and then I'll start invoicing the ones that have committed. Yeah, so until now it took 6 to 8 weeks to build these things. So now I'm working on streamlining the production process, and I'm actually investing in long lead time parts ahead of the orders. And yeah, this should decrease the build time. Yeah, so that's about it, what I wanted to say. Maybe I don't show it enough, but I'm very proud of all this, and I'm grateful for all the opportunities I had and the friends I made along the way. Hopefully next year will be an easy one for all of us, and we'll be able to have fun working and driving on our 924s. Happy holidays and all the best.